and welcome to today's Speaker Card reading. Today's topic is what is your reputation amongst your co-workers? For that, as usual, we have three piles. Pile number one, Queen of Wands. Pile number two, the Empress. Pile number three, Nine of Pentacles. Guys, if you like my content, please like and hype the content. Now let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see what is your reputation amongst your co-workers and bosses. Easygoing, fun, exciting. Aquarius, active, social. You know what? You guys are the kind of people who are very your reputation rather amongst your colleagues are the ones who are very ahead of your times, very good at what you do, very social, gregarious, social butterfly kind of people. You guys are those people whom a lot of people tend to envy as well. Right off the bat, your reputation is very responsible people. Okay, very reliable, responsible. All right. Your reputation, pile number one, is that of a productive person. See how productive you are, the busiest person. You know, a bee is busy. B for busy, B for bee. You guys are like comfortably the hardest working person in the room. For sure, you enter the room and people say, oh my god, this person is so, like, you are known for your work ethics. Your reputation is for your work ethics, your impeccable work ethics. You are a very confident person. Your confidence is another reason why people look up to you. Your reputation is that of somebody who is confident. Devotion, you're very dedicated and devoted to your work. Very, you know, you are the kind of people, if some work is given to you, I mean, people know that that thing will be done. Very goal oriented people, very goal oriented, very astute, very hard working, at the same time very smart people. Your reputation, yeah, I'm hearing very smart yet fun. You are very smart workaholic, but you do not make the work like a daily drudgery kind of things, not a chore for you. You love what you do. You are being very highly thought of. Exactly, your reputation, especially amongst your co-workers, is somebody whom they can look up to, whom they would like to emulate going forward. You are the kind of person, okay, stubborn and aggressive. Yeah, some people will, a lot of you can be an Aries, a Leo, of course, a Leo, a Sagittarius, Aquarius, Gemini, somebody who very aggressively you can pursue your goals and targets. When you are going ahead with a target in mind, you can become pretty aggressive with that. That is something I can see that people say about you, that this is a person who can become pretty aggressive should there be a goal in mind. New opportunities, possibilities, and pathways opening up. Exactly, you are the kind of people for whom, like, you know how to create your own way in this life, in this world. You know, you guys are very worldly wise, world wise kind of people. You know how to navigate this world. You know how to navigate the world's systems. You are the kind of people who can navigate a shark infested water very easily. Very apt for a corporate world. Yeah, very exciting. Your company, you know, whenever you are there in a team, people are like, some people will be like, oh my, you're known for your infectious energy. Your company is very exciting. People look forward to new, better ideas. Your ideas are very novel, very out of the ordinary, and your company, like, nothing seems drab and dragging, like, oh my god, I have to again do the work, same work 20, even if they're doing the same work, they don't feel that way. You have that energy and enthusiasm about you, which people really, really appreciate. Forces working against you. Exactly, I'm seeing you guys are those people who have a lot of enemies as well. You know, you are known to be the truth teller. You tend to speak things right at face for a lot of people. which tend to make, and a lot of you are working up your way pretty fast. Like I'm seeing you're shining brightly. Some people, like, you make people feel very insecure. That is the reputation, that oh my god, like a lot of gossip tend to happen behind your back. Some of you also get hit on left, right, center, so your love life or personal life is something that people tend to gossip about. Like your reputation is somebody who could be like a lover girl or a lover boy at the same time, who is an exciting company, who is a thorough workaholic and very professional. So people, people who criticize you, they basically want to be like you, want to get all the attention that you get. They can't get that, and hence they are jealous. Shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. Exactly, you guys are extremely shrewd. You guys are those people who are extremely shrewd and very resourceful, especially in business. Very resourceful people, extremely talented and resourceful type. Work, achievement, success. You are the kind of people, you guys are the workaholics. You guys are like ants. Like they do not really sit at one place. You continuously and constantly, you tend to just look for better opportunities, how you can achieve more in this life. You're constantly trying to reinvent yourself. All right guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Right, you can always rewrite your story. Exactly what you have done. You guys have rewritten the story of your life. You guys have literally, you rewrote the story of your life. A lot of you were more of an introvert growing up, not much of an achiever. Today you are being seen as an achiever, but this was not the case 7-8 years back. But slowly but surely, you guys have had a complete personality overhaul. A lot of you have really, your reputation is somebody who has changed their streams. A lot of people tend to realign, redirect their streams. You guys have done that. A lot of you have done that. You have found your success. Yeah, slay them all. You guys are very courageous. You're very courageous. You're seen as indefeatable. As far as the reputation is concerned, you're being seen as somebody who is indefeatable, somebody who is not easily, like, is not scared, or who is not intimidated easily by others. You just do your stuff no matter what. Evil queen, you deserve sugar and not salt. Exactly, you guys are those people who genuinely deserves, like, you are those people who know what you deserve to. There was a time when people would walk all over you, would belittle you. A lot of you have grown up with a lot of belittlement, being called names, this, that, being bullied. But today you do not take that nonsense. You know what, you have endured that bullying, and you have turned the tables around in your favor today. Like those people who used to bully you, you tend to bully them, bully the bullies back. You have become that person. You have become a bully of the bullies. Do not be afraid. That is your reputation. Like people don't dare to mess with you. You guys are the kind of people who are, don't be afraid to sing. You guys are not afraid to sing. You guys are not afraid to speak your mind. You are not afraid to do the needfuls no matter what. Ace of Wands, don't you see how your passion makes you glow? Exactly, you guys are very passionate people. Your reputation is that of a passionate worker. You're very passionate about the work that you do. Like you are that kind of a person. You can work all night if that's what it takes to deliver a deliver a project. You guys are those kind of people. You are the kind of people who are very passionate lovers. Also, it's your excitement, like you're always like, you get up in the morning and you're just raring to go back to office, go back to your work, because you love your work, love what you do so much. Queen of Wands, replace your self-doubt with self-confidence. Exactly, you guys are those people who have literally turn their self-doubts into self-confidence. And your reputation is, some of you, when you started your job, your work, you guys were like completely different people from who you are today. You have become this person by working on yourself repeatedly, over and over and over. Ace of Pentacles, wow, what an abundant opportunity. Exactly, for you, life was pretty abundant. You guys were filled, like you are walking on the right path towards success, towards abundance, towards fulfillment, towards, like, you guys are extremely grateful. I'm seeing like your reputation is that of somebody who is extremely grateful for what life has given them today. All right, last but not the least, of course, not the least, what came out is, oh my god, I love this card, I must confess. Okay, another one. Just people are just flying out. I tried to just not take, but anyways. Boar, face your problems head on with confidence and courage. You would emerge victorious. Your reputation is that of somebody who is like a boar, someone who is not risk averse, someone who can face any impediment with full confidence and full zeal. And you have that guts in you, that appetite in you to face whatever comes your way. You are that kind of a person, guaranteed success. You are seen as a very successful person, extremely successful, very visible and successful and resilient and determined people. Alright guys, I hope you've got some clarity. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 2. Let's see, what is your reputation amongst your co-workers? Okay, Leo, Cancer, Scorpio. Clearly, you guys are the kind of people who are very reliable, who are very magnetic, very charming, very, you're very humane and hardworking, very kind, benevolent, at the same time very hardworking and determined kind of people. Nothing can, you're known for your swag, like nothing can literally bring them down, nothing can defeat you. You have this indefeatable kind of energy. You guys, your reputation is that of the architect of your own destiny. Very self-taught people, self-taught, self-reliant, reasonable. I'm saying like somebody who is very reliable in general. That is your reputation. It would take a hell of a lot more to defeat you. Exactly, you guys are seen as those people who are very indefeatable in nature, who do not give up. No matter what they tell you, I'll do what I believe is true for. Oh my god, oh my god. Of course, Scorpio and the Death card. I literally, guys, I love this kind of interconnected messages. You are one of those people, your reputation is of somebody who has really transformed themselves. You guys have been through so much. I'm seeing a lot of upheaval in a way, which has transformed you as a person, which has transformed you as an individual, as a professional, everything. And it has helped you level up. You have leveled up in life, and that up leveling has happened because you have managed to manifest it in your life. Ace of Swords, look at you. You are bursting with sparkly new ideas. You are known for your awesome ideas, your mature, reliable self, and your awesome ideas. You know, guys, you are those people who are very visible without even trying. Your reputation is that of a person who doesn't really have to try to look attractive. You guys are very naturally attractive, very charming, very glamorous. Some of you have beautiful hair. People literally talk about your hair a lot. Okay, the emperor. Oh my god, the emperor and the empress cards from two. You give off a lot of emperor and empress vibes. Very confident, very self reliant, independent, very dependable. People tend to depend on you guys. That is something I can see. Being the authority of your own life comes with a lot of responsibility. You guys are the more responsible lot, more responsible, more reliable, someone who knows, like, this is what I'm here to do, so let me just get my work done. Some of you had to really level up, you had to grow up pretty early. This is also somebody who has a very strong Saturn position, somebody who had a lot of reality checks right from the very beginning of your life. Why aren't you resting? You guys have the reputation of a relentless workhorse. See, she is down with fever and really not well, but still she has got the mountains to climb, so she is working while she is unwell. You are the kind of people, your reputation is, even if they are ill, sick, some people tend to work from the hospital. You guys are those kind of people, really workaholics. What is your reputation, pile number 2, amongst your co-workers? You will never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Exactly. You are those people who believe that life will keep on throwing curved balls at us, but it's up to us how we choose to react to all the curved balls that life is throwing at us. You guys are the kind of people who literally, you believe that, what, instead of standing still, you need to, if you can't walk, you need to at least crawl. If you can't run, at least walk. If you can't fly, you have to walk. I mean, do something with your life. You are those people, no matter how many times life throws you off track, you manage to get right back on. You guys are, as I said, very indefeatable kind. Nothing can deter me from achieving my goals and missions. Slowly but surely, you're reaching places. Exactly, this is your reputation at work. This is a person who is very methodical, who is very strong. A lot of you can also be a Taurus, very methodical, scrupulous, detail oriented, routine driven kind of people. A lot of Taurus can be seen, a lot of Virgos can be seen. Do not back down from the opposition, show strength. A lot of earthy signs can be seen. Basically, I'll say Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Loads of earthy signs can also be seen. Alright guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. That really helps us and keeps us motivated. Justice is coming. You guys are very fair and just people. You know what your reputation is? Your reputation is that of a very fair person, somebody who is very justice oriented, someone who is a very fair and square person in general. That is your reputation amongst your co-workers. Someone who not only stands up for their own selves, for their own rights, but it is someone who also tend to stand up for the rights of others, rights of those people who cannot speak out for their own selves. Maybe the animals, maybe your juniors. At times, you know what, junior people tend to get the shorter end of the stick in any kind of situation, and you tend to always stand up and protest whenever you feel that justice is not being served. Take control of your own narrative. Exactly, you guys cannot be controlled by others, and you don't give two hoots to the whole world what they say. You guys are those people. There was a time when people would literally tell you how many ponytails you should make. To this person, so timid and so lacking in confidence, to somebody today who has become a complete badass version of their own selves. that is how people view you. That is your reputation, that this is a person who is no longer a pushover. And I'm seeing a lot of the manipulative people, they don't like it one bit. They loved it when they could manipulate you to their heart's content, and today you are saying just no, I'm not taking your BS anymore. I'm gonna do what I think is right for me to do. Throne, your potential is endless. This is exactly what your colleagues think, that you have a lot more potential. Like, you are one of those people, very unsung heroes, very like, you have just started, you have worked in an industry for a decade, and just now in the recent past you're getting your dues, you're getting the kind of appreciation that you always deserved. I'm always enough. You guys are more than enough, do not doubt your worth. You guys excuse me, you guys are those people. There was a time when you used to doubt yourself the most, and from there you have come a long way. You have come to a position where you no longer doubt your own self. You no longer speak like, you do not put yourself. There was a time when you used to discount yourself, like you used to underestimate your own abilities a lot. But today I'm seeing your reputation is that of a person who knows what their worth is, very self-aware success. You know what, you could be, a lot of you, your reputation is this person is literally standing at the brink of a bigger success. I'm seeing people say that, like, at your office, your co-workers, they think the way in which you're getting ahead, you overcame a lot of obstacles in life to reach this. I mean, way more than most average people would. That is what I can see. And people are literally, when they see you, they just think like, you are so adept at what you do. People just think like, this person deserves so much more, so much better. And I mean, why aren't they getting what they deserved? That's what people say. That's what I'm hearing. Storm, every hurricane comes to an end. Exactly. You guys are the kind of people, you have endured enough storm in one life to know that every storm comes to an end. Everything, like, if there was a start, it had to end as well. It's like, no matter what, no matter how difficult the time is, this too shall pass. You have that positive, persistent nature in you, which is very, very, like, very difficult to come by. I mean, this kind of people tend to really go through the toughest of the times and come right back. Be honest with yourself. Exactly, you guys are very honest and diligent people, extremely honest, very reliable and diligent people. Make the change. You are the kind of people, I'm saying transformation is the name of the game for you. You guys have managed to transform yourself. You guys have managed to make yourself turn into a person who is like 180-degree different from who you are today. Like, you guys are, exactly, you can be your own knight. You do not need others. Others need you. You have become that reliable, dependable shoulder to lean on, to cry on for others. And I'm seeing that people really appreciate the value, the value that you bring on table today. Okay, last but not the least, of course, endings are inevitable. A very mature thought. You have lost a lot in life, so you are not afraid to fail. You are not afraid to lose, whether it's an equation, whether it's a job, because you have lost a lot, and you know how far you have come in life, that you know that you will get things done again. If you had to start all over again today, you will redo it in a heartbeat, and people appreciate that. Alright guys, I hope you've got some clarity. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see what is your reputation amongst your co-workers, starting with the Astrodice. Leo, runner, biking, joyful, social, and bright. You know what? You are being seen as, your reputation is that of a winner, a lot of you are very athletic, very energetic, okay, very strong. Excuse me. Leo can be significant, Sagittarius can be significant, Aries can be significant, very driven people, of course. All right, all right. They're just jumping out. Your cards are just jumping out. No wonder you are known for your energy levels, impeccable energy level and work ethic straight away. Light a fire underneath your cauldron and go, go, go. You guys are very driven, extremely self motivated. You guys are those people who are completely self motivated. For you, your motivation roots from the desire to make something out of your life, to get something awesome out of your life. You guys are those people who are like driven by the fact that I need to make something, like my life needs to change for better, come what may. 3 of Cups. Come together with your coven. You guys are the kind of people who are very, you are the kind of people I'm saying who tend to celebrate life. Your reputation, also you are the person who tend to celebrate not only your own victories, your others' victories. Somebody you care about, maybe your junior, they got a promotion and you celebrate that. You guys are very broad minded, big hearted people. That is your reputation. This is a person who are not only performers but not shallow people. Like, it happens, but in a competitive, in a fiercely competitive hothouse environment. But you guys are not that way. Elephant. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. You guys are those people who are very, like, you have been through your own journey in life. Your journey has been a very personal, something that has made you more stronger, more grounded, and like an elephant. A lot of you have risen in life, but you're coming from a place from which, like, nobody thought you would be able to achieve so much. And that is the thing. The reputation is that of a David versus Goliath. It's the small person, apparently small person, defeating the bigger person, apparently the dark horse winning the race. Your life story is that of that, and that is your reputation. Like, oh my god, look at what they have done with their life. If they can do it, so can you. Be ambitious and chase your every dream. Exactly. You guys are extremely ambitious and determined people. Very ambitious. Your kind of people can literally, you start from from your bedroom, from your attic, from your garage. You start selling your items from there. You only had one thing, and that was your ambition. At times you feel disillusioned, but you keep on pushing forward. Slowly but surely you're getting ahead. Your reputation is that of somebody who never gave up in life, somebody who literally kept on pushing forward no matter what. Also, spiritual development, enlightened, aware, understanding. You guys are also very, spiritually guided. A lot of you are pretty spiritual. I don't know. I mean, maybe you have friends at your workplace who speak about that. Very good manifester. A lot of you have manifested your current life, and maybe people around you are just wondering, like, what did they do suddenly? Compliments from an admirer. You have a lot of admirer. An exciting event. I'm seeing some of you could be like, getting a promotion or starting your own business, something new in the workplace, and people are talking about it. This is a person, some of you probably also has the reputation of, I'm hearing, a little flashy, or something you are doing that is giving you a lot of limelight. Okay, try not to be so picky. You guys are also very, you have the reputation of being very very inclusive, someone who does not differentiate between people, who embraces everybody. Give yourself permission to experience. Your reputation amongst your colleagues is somebody who is a joy to work with. This bright sunflowers, you have a very bright, vivacious, youthful. A lot of you have the reputation of literally reverse aging, or maybe also people call you a little naive, a little childlike, little naive, little gullible. That part is also there. I'll probably say things which you might or might not like. So if you do not like, then just take it with a grain of salt. I'll humbly suggest that. Alright, guys, up until now, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. If your life feels stale, explore some new scenery. Exactly. You guys are those people for whom, like, you are also, people say that you are a little restless. You guys tend to travel a lot or love to travel a lot. Some of you, I'm seeing there is a leveling up, exactly, exciting event, a leveling up happening, a promotion, an increment, something which is also making you move around, like living out of a suitcase, which you are enjoying, by the way. But that is also happening, and people are just wondering, like, where are these funds coming from? How are suddenly they're getting so many opportunities? Like a doorway opening for a lot of you. A good coven lets every witch have a say. Exactly, you are very democratic. You are very democratic people. You tend to let everybody have a say. Like, you guys are very good team leads, very good managers, very good mentors, very good senior. Like, your juniors tend to be your fan. You are that kind of a senior. When, like, your juniors, even their personal, like, they are also your colleagues, right? In a way, your reputation is, oh my god, they are the go-to people when you need some counseling regarding your career or your personal life. Your juniors tend to, like, speak their heart out in front of you. Judgment, all the signs say that you're exactly where you're supposed to be at. Exactly, you are the kind of people who are exactly, where you are supposed to be at. That is what I can see. You guys are very secure. You do not feel like, I'm behind some people, so I'll have to trample on other people's foot to reach a certain position, or like step on others' toe, or literally, you guys are very secure people. With the passage of time, with the increase in status, also what happens is people tend to become very insecure. Like, somebody might come and take my job, my rank, my salary, this, that away. But you guys are not that way. You're very open, grounded, very honest, very secure kind of people. Yeah, you are somebody who has literally, even now, after coming this far in life, you still literally burn your midnight oil to reach your goals and targets. You are still very hardworking. A lot of you are hitting your mid to late 30s, but still you behave like you are in a college who has to work very hard to prove themselves. We can all learn important things from one another. Exactly, you tend to, actually, you're a very democratic person. That is another thing, that your reputation is that of somebody who is pretty democratic in nature. Your juniors just love you. You're very good with animals. You have the reputation of being very private, very popular, but private people. Having it all looks different to everyone. Literally, this is what I can see. Like, you guys are those people whom everybody knows about. People know about you rather than knowing you, the person. That is another thing. Like, people are a little flabbergasted once they just get to know you. They are like, oh my god, they are so simple. I'm seeing you guys are totally like anti of what people would assume about somebody at your rank. You're very strong, extremely resilient, you're walking on a path of abundance. Your reputation amongst your co-workers is This is one of the prettiest card, one of the lovely, most lovely cards to come. I'm seriously speaking, guys. Who are you people? You could be entering into a better the way in which you're working. By the way, you'll have to work hard because you guys are working very hard. But sometimes it happens like, you know what? Just at the like we are about to hit a big thing, we just give up. I have been there. So I'm saying just do not give up. You are at the brink of entering a better period. That is the reputation that this person, the way in which they're walking, they're going to make it big. Oh my God. Nine of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, loads of earthy material wealth coming your way. Loads of it, like truckload of it. It's time to take action. You guys stay put and stay action oriented. Confidence is the key to success. Leo and Aries, can be significant. You know what? Your reputation is somebody who never gave up. When you were told as a child that you do not fit in, you never gave up then. When you were bullied, you never gave up. When you were told, like, you know what, that is for other people who can achieve this, this, and this, you didn't give up. You worked on yourself, you made yourself capable. That is who you are. Be bold and make the first move. You guys are very bold and extremely resilient people. Lord, take charge with authority. You guys are extremely authoritative in nature. You guys are, or you are literally getting a promotion where you'll have more authority than what you already have. That is and you're becoming bolder in your approach. Bold, driven, motivated, those kind of things I'm hearing. And people are a little flabbergasted, a little like taken aback. At times there is a change in perception, shift in perception. The way in which people are seeing you is changing. Alright guys, I hope you've got some clarity. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste.